Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how I can make 3D shape in Microsoft Word. Okay, so let's go quick into the process. Go ahead in the Windows search bar and type Word. Click on it under the best match. Click on a blank document. Then here at the ribbon, you will find all these tabs. Simply click on the Insert tab. And here you'll find shapes. Click on this drop down and here you'll find a lot of shapes. Now let us choose the rectangle one. And then let's just simply drag this plus sign symbol. Okay, that's it. You can also change the color from here, shape fill. Click on this drop down, but make sure to select the shape first. Select the shape and you'll find the shape format tab, and if you're not going to select the shape, you will find that tab. So simply click on this tab or in this shape and you'll find the shape format tab. You'll find shape fill. Click on this drop down and choose your color. Okay, let me choose this one. You also have here the shape outline if you want to put an outline with it. And then click on this drop down again and you'll find the weight. Okay, that's it. Now you'll find your shape effects. Click on this drop down and you'll find 3D rotation. Now simply choose add a 3D rotation effect to the picture. Okay, simply choose from here. Okay, let's go with this one. And then once done, to complete the 3D shape, go back to shape effects, click on this drop down and you'll find preset and simply choose from here. And that's it. You have just created a 3D shape in your Microsoft Word. Okay? So, I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.